The side lying clam is an exercise for training the gluteus minimus muscles in your hips. You won't need any equipment for the introductory level of this exercise. However, to add more resistance, you will need a loop resistance band or mini band. You may also want to lay an exercise mat on the floor. First, lay down on the floor or on your exercise mat and come onto your side with your knees bent and your head propped up with your bottom arm. To begin the exercise, keep your feet together as you open up your top leg and rotate the knee up towards the ceiling, and then return your leg back down to the starting position. You should feel the work in the top side of your hip or butt here as you lift your knee up. One time up and back to the starting position is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. When you've finished a full set on one side, turn over and perform the exercise on the other side. To make this move more challenging, add a loop resistance band around your legs just above your knees. Try this exercise out and let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.